In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim host in Zoom. Whether you're leading an important meeting or just need to manage the participants, knowing how to become the host is essential for maintaining control and ensuring a smooth session. Let's walk through the simple steps so that you can seamlessly take charge in your next Zoom meeting. To start, you'll need to join the Zoom meeting where you plan to claim the host role. This is the first requirement because you need to be in the meeting to take any action. Once you're in the virtual room, you'll notice a toolbar at the bottom of your screen. Find the participants icon and click on it. This action will open up a list showing everyone currently in the meeting, along with additional management options. Now pay attention to the bottom of this participants window. You'll see an option labeled Claim Host. Clicking this will be your next step. When you click Claim Host, a dialog box will pop up asking for something called a host key. This key is a special code that you, as a future host, should have handy. If you don't know your host key, don't worry. It's usually available in your Zoom account under the Profile section, so make sure to check that beforehand. After entering your host key into the provided field, you'll press the OK button. This is a moment of transition. Once you click OK, you'll be automatically upgraded to the host role within the meeting. What does becoming the host mean for you? Well, it unlocks a range of capabilities, including the ability to mute or unmute participants, screen share, and manage breakout rooms, elevating your ability to conduct an effective and orderly meeting. A quick tip here. If this is your first time doing this, it's worth trying out this process in a test meeting before your actual session. This helps ensure you're comfortable with the interface and won't run into any snags during a live scenario. Remember, smoothly handling the technical aspects can make a significant difference in how professionally your meeting is perceived by others. So there you have it. Just to recap, you'll join the meeting, click on the Participants button, select Claim Host at the bottom, enter your host key, and hit OK. Practice these steps a couple of times, and you'll be navigating the host controls like a pro. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more Zoom tips and tricks. Happy hosting!